Welcome to eP2P Application User Tutorial Guide. In this tutorial, user will be guided on how to fill training evaluation form. First, navigate to eForms and click on Training Evaluation Form or TEF. On the first page, users have to select training program that they want to evaluate. Only training program that users had attended will be displayed in the list. Click Next to go to the next page. On this page, users are required to fill all the details in the form to evaluate the training program. There are 4 sections in the form. Section 1, 2, and 4A are mandatory field. Users have to click Next once they completed the form. Then, users will be directed to Preview page where they must make sure all the information entered are correct before submitting. Once done, users can submit the form. A notification will pop up showing that the application is successfully submitted. The request will then be forwarded to the user's superior for the recommendation. Thank you.